Good morning everyone. My name is Aarush Karnik and today my topic is coping with academic pressure. So as you know, over the last few decades, the academic pressure has increased with increasing competition in this world. It seems that everyone is in a kind of race. The reason behind this is expectation. As a student, the expectation from our parents, teachers and schools are so high that right from kindergarten, everyone is in a competition to excel in the studies. Well, always a healthy competition is important in any kind of competitive scenario, but sometimes this competition can also affect the mental ability of the student. Surveys have found that most of the students identify academic pressure from their stresses. So chronic academic stress often leads to physical, emotional and behavioral symptoms such as uh, frequent illnesses, depressions, irritability, decrease in academic performance, etc. Parents can use several strategies to help their children to cope with negative stresses, such as emphasizing learning over um grades, talking openly with their children about their problems, then limiting extracurricular activities, etc. Um, for example, one child out of four has an emotional, social, or physical health limitation that interferes with studies. Such problems include poor nutrition and lack of physical activity. So teachers and parents are in a unique position to influence and motivate the young people's physical, mental, and social well-being. So researchers have identified some strategies to decrease this academic pressure, such as first, by eat well, second, exercise, third, sleep well at night, fourth, don't use drugs, alcohols or tobacco, fifth, uh, set realistic goals for yourself, and learn stress management skills. All events in life brings about a reaction, but there are varied ways through which people reacts or responds to them. Coping with stress is the attempt to manage or deal with stresses. Student must understand uh, that positive stress and coping with negative stress can change them in a good way. So students and as well as their parents can take support of counseling for their advice. So with this, I would like to share a quote by Mother Teresa that yesterday is gone, tomorrow is yet to come. We have only today, so let us begin. Thank you.